Weathertron heat pump. I believe it's a gas pack. It's pretty rusted. Oh wow, there's the compressor right there. There's a big compressor. Probably has to do a big room. No coil guard. Let's see. American Standards. This might have been made by American Standard. So this is installed in 2002. Right there. The camera will focus on that. I don't know. Installed in 2002. So I'm not going to read the serial. And it is a heat pump. Filter dryer. Let's see what else we have here. We have a Trane XE 12,000. So that's the 12s here. We have a Trane XL 18,000. We have lots of those actually. This one still has color. We have a Trane XB, is that right? XB13, and one of those turned on over there. Here's that gas pack again. I just figured this one was the most attractive. And since the gate is open over there, let's go take a look in there real quick. I already filmed these air conditioners running in heat mode once before. Trane XLs. These are the older Trane XLs, and not the newer ones, like at my aunt and uncle's house. See, what is this? Holy shit. Let's see. I'll just look and see. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out. This has been a 2014 Andrew B. Dish production.